Passage 6, San Fernando Hill. Comprehension questions. Question 1. What is the official name of San Fernando Hill?
Let's scan the passage for the keyword official. Ah, there it is in paragraph 2. San Fernando Hill is officially known as the Naparima Hill, but it is fondly referred to as the Hill. So we have found the answer.
Therefore, your answer can be written: the official name of the San Fernando Hill is the Naparima Hill. Question 2. When did the practice of quarrying cease?
Let's scan the passage for the context clue, the words ceased and quarrying. Hey, there it is in paragraph 3. The hill, comprising approximately 100 acres of land, has been used in the quarrying process over many years as a source of material to construct roads in Trinidad and Tobago. However, this practice ceased sometime in 1977. So there it is, the year when quarrying ceased.
You could write your answer like this: the process of quarrying ceased in 1977. Question 3. From the top of the hill, what areas can be seen?
The question is asking for the view from the hill. So let's scan the passage for the keyword view, or its synonyms scene and a landscape. Aha! There's the word view in paragraph 4. From the hill, the view is panoramic. Looking north, we can see the Gulf of Paria. To the northwest, there is the Petrotrin oil refinery of Pointe-a-Pierre, most noticeable with its fields of reservoir tanks. If we read on, we can see the word landscape in paragraph 5. From this single hill, one can gaze over the beautiful landscape of San Fernando with its old and new business structures, new housing developments, shopping centers, and surrounding villages. We have found the answer.
So your answer may read: from the top of the hill, the view is panoramic. Looking north, one can see the Gulf of Paria. To the northwest, there is the Petrotrin oil refinery of Pointe-a-Pierre, most noticeable with its fields of reservoir tank. From this single hill, one can gaze over the beautiful landscape of San Fernando with its old and new business structures, new housing developments, shopping centers, and surrounding villages. Question 4. Apart from the view, what else is the hill used for?
The question asks for other uses of the hill. So let's scan the passage to look for the keywords apart from the view. Aha! There it is in paragraph 5. Apart from the view, the hill in its refurbished state is the home to kite flyers during Easter and picnickers on holidays and weekends. Since it has earned its reputation for best view and venue, the hill is also in demand for weddings and other important social functions. So we see that the hill has many other uses.
Therefore, your answer should be: the hill is also used for kite flying, picnicking, weddings, and other important social functions such as the Jazz Festival. Question 5. How do the words beloved, cherished, and fondly in the first and second paragraphs relate to each other?
Let's scan the passage to find these words and the context in which they are used. Ah, there's the word beloved in paragraph 1, line 1. One of Trinidad's most beloved natural landmarks is the San Fernando Hill. In this context, the word beloved can mean dearly loved by everyone, favored, or held in high esteem. Now let's look for the next word. Good. There's the word cherished in paragraph 1, line 3. In this context, the word cherished can mean appreciated, treasured, esteemed, or loved. And the last one, fondly. Yes, there it is in paragraph 2, line 2. San Fernando Hill is officially known as the Naparima Hill, but it is fondly referred to as the Hill. In this context, the word fondly can mean lovingly, affectionately, warm-heartedly. So we see that these three words are similar in meaning.
So your answer could read, beloved, cherished, and fondly are words that all express some kind of emotional attachment. These words are all indicative of the positive feelings that Trinbagonians have towards the San Fernando Hill. Question 6. In your own words, what do the terms unforgettable view and breathtaking sight mean?
Let's look for these two sets of words in the passage. Based on the context in which they are used, we can guess their meanings. There they are in paragraph 1, lines 4 and 5. Cherished by the inhabitants of San Fernando, it provides an unforgettable view to those who are fortunate enough to visit this breathtaking sight.
So, your answer can be written like this. In this context, the term unforgettable view refers to a view of a place that will not easily be forgotten or that will be long remembered. The words breathtaking in this context refers to a sight which is extremely beautiful and amazing. Question 7. What does quarrying entail?
You can use your dictionary to help you answer this question. To find a word in your dictionary, there are 4 easy steps. Step 1. Open your dictionary to the section where the first letter in your word is located. In the case of the word quarrying, turn to the section in your dictionary that starts with the letter Q. Step 2. Turn to the page that contains words beginning with Q, U. Step 3. Turn the page until you see the section with the first 3 letters Q, U, A. And step 4. Look for the word quarrying on that page. So we see that the dictionary says that the word quarrying means to dig out or excavate the earth to remove raw materials such as sand or gravel.
So your answer could read, quarrying entails the removal of large sections of soil to access raw materials such as sand, gravel, and iron ore. This process of quarrying results in large open pits. Question 8. Why was it important to stop the quarrying process on the hill?
Now, think about it. Based on the meaning, what could quarrying entail? With your parents' permission, do some research on the internet. You can also check your library, textbooks, or encyclopedias. Or you can ask your parents or grandparents for ideas.
Your answer can be written, it was important to stop the quarrying process in order to preserve the hill's Amerindian history. The hill was also a cherished landmark and provided significant recreational value which would be lost by the quarrying process. Question 9. Discuss with your parents or older siblings the term spiritual reservation. Write the findings of your discussion below.
Before you ask anyone, think about it. What could the term spiritual reservation refer to? Ask yourself, what does the word spiritual mean? And the word reservation. You can use your dictionary to help you. Remember we learned how to use a dictionary? Now ask your parents or older siblings.
Therefore, your answer may be written like this. The spiritual reservation refers to a place which is set aside by a group of people, usually a tribe or culture, and which is considered to be of special religious significance.